All right, today we're going hiking. And hiking is when you walk in a forest or maybe on a beach, but there's always a hiking path. First word of the day. And if you didn't know, watching this 15-minute YouTube video is the same thing as a 1 hour English class. How? Because of the power of comprehensible input. All right, so before we start walking, I want to talk to you guys about 3 methods to sound more natural in English. The first method is contractions. We use contractions in English to sound more natural. Examples are I'm. It's you take 2 little words like I am or you are, and you put them together to say I'm or your. Or we'll even do it for the future tense with will. We'll say I'll or he'll. That's the number one method. Always use contractions. Second is reductions. And reduction words are same concept, 2 words, put them together, and it becomes wanna or have to or going to, for example, becomes gonna. And the third method to sound more natural in English is filler words. And filler words are words like kind of, or so, or really, or like. So, an example, we're walking outside today and it's kind of warm. You use kind of, it's like a little bit. So, to sound more natural, filler words. Third thing. All right, let's go for a hike. All right, so this is a walking path, and we are walking on the walking path. To the left of me, there's some trees. See, to the left. And to the right of me, there's some more trees. It's a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining. And you see the sun shining? You see the dark spaces right here. There. Those are called shadows. Shadows. See, there's a tree shadow right here. Shadow. And these are pebbles. Pebbles. Small pebbles. And we put the pebbles so it's easier to walk on the pebbles. It's easier to walk. What's disgusting? Oh, is that rabbit? Is that rabbit shit?
Yeah.
Oh, so there must be a rabbit hole somewhere close. Must be a rabbit hole somewhere close.
Under the road.
Ah, under the rock. Good job, baby. Under the rock. You guys heard that? Under the rock. And them over there, they're cyclists. So you can hike on the hiking path. You can cycle, or you can say ride your bike on the hiking path. Oh, and here is a tree, but right here is the roots of the tree. It's how the tree gets water, the roots of the tree. Oh, we got some grass that goes along. You see, the grass goes along the hiking path. Along the hiking path. And this here is it's a sign. See it? It's a sign. Tells you to go either go right down this path where my baby is, or left down this path. Another great English term is fork in the road. You see, there's a fork in the road. There's two different ways that we can take. You can go left or right. That there is a fork in the road. All right, and this is a tall tree. You see, it's a tall tree. And inside inside the tree, there are pine cones. Pine cones. See, there's some pine cones. Voila. This is a pine cone. See? Nice, beautiful pine cone. And this is a stick. It's a stick or it's a twig. And over here, it's a tree stump. Tree stump. And you see inside the tree stump, these are rings. Rings. And you can tell how old the tree is with these rings. How old do you guys think this tree is? Let me know in the comments. And this is another tree stump. Baby, you hear that? The birds are singing. You hear that? Birds are singing. Butterflies. Oh yeah, some butterflies over there.
Honeybees.
Oh. Yeah, butterfly. And these are logs. Logs. When you cut the tree into pieces, see there's one piece here of the tree, a piece of the tree. There's other pieces here of the tree. When you cut the tree into pieces, these are called logs. And the person who cuts the trees, though, that is called a logger. A logger. So the logger cuts the tree into logs. And even here on the tree, this is bark. Bark. And this is a table. You thirsty, baby?
Yep.
All right. All right. And we got some more grass here. And wait, 1 second, you guys. 1 second. This here is a fire extinguisher. It's a fire extinguisher. Oh, and that's a dog playing with a ball. A dog playing with the ball. Fire extinguisher. Some more big rocks. And here is a picnic area. You can have a nice picnic. You can bring a picnic basket, or a picnic blanket, and you can have a picnic in the forest in this area. It's a picnic area. Baby, what do you think that is? What is that? Ah, yeah, to get water. Oh no, I think it's just a garbage can. Yeah, I think it's a garbage. Yeah, a garbage can. Yeah, garbage can. And here is a bike path. A bike path. We got some more cyclists coming through. Here is a pile of rocks. See, that's a pile of rocks. That there is a pile of dirt or sand, and here is a pile of rocks. Now I am standing on the pile of rocks. Thank you guys for watching today. Great YouTube video. Remember, 15-minute YouTube video is the same thing as a 1-hour English class with comprehensible input. I will see you in the next video.